Secretary of War Pete Hegseth has just given America's warriors a gift, a reset, a chance to once again fight wars to win. No politics, no handcuffs, just warriors trained and empowered to do what they do best, defeat the enemy. One of Hegseth's boldest moves was restoring physical standards to the levels of 1990. Back then, before political correctness watered things down, every troop had to meet tough requirements that reflected the brutal reality of combat. Over the years, those standards slipped. Inclusion and equity became buzzwords. But the battlefield doesn't care about buzzwords. The battlefield only cares about whether you can carry the weight, run the distance, and fight alongside your brothers and sisters. Hegseth sent a clear message. Anyone can serve if they meet the standard. That's fairness. That's meritocracy. And it means America's fighting force is once again being built on strength, not politics. For too long, the military chased equality of outcome, promotions, and assignments shaped by quotas instead of talent. That kind of thinking erodes morale and weakens units. Now, the principle is simple: merit rules. The best rise because they've earned it, not because they fit a political narrative. On the battlefield, only skill and toughness matter. Hegseth has returned the military to that truth. This change may be the most important of all, ending the culture of fear that crept into our ranks. I saw it firsthand during my career from 1978 to 2001. The closer you got to the flagpole, the more hesitant leaders became. Afraid to make decisions, afraid to innovate, afraid to say the words every warrior longs to hear. You have my permission to try. Instead, too many officers played it safe, protecting careers instead of empowering their troops. That leash is gone. Hegseth has unleashed innovators, risk-takers, and warriors ready to adapt. In war, hésitation kills. Innovation wins. Now, America's military has permission to innovate again. We've seen what happens when politics takes over. In the 1990s and 2000s, mission creep replaced clear objectives. Endless nation-building drained resources. Restrictive rules of engagement tied our hands. Troops were asked to do the impossible, fight wars without fighting to win. Morale collapsed. Victories slipped away. Hegseth's reforms cut through that fog and return us to a warrior mindset. Fight hard, fight fast, and come home. What Hegseth and President Trump have given today's service members is a priceless gift. Clarity of mission, overwhelming force, and an exit strategy. No more endless government building campaigns. No more restrictive rules of engagement. If America goes to war, it will go with the intent to win and to bring its warriors home. The wars of tomorrow will look nothing like the wars of the past. Drones, cyber attacks, and artificial intelligence will shape the battlefield. A risk-averse, bureaucratic military can't keep up, but a chance-taking, innovative force can. By encouraging creativity, Hegseth is preparing America's warriors not just for today, but for the unpredictable challenges of tomorrow. To those serving today, do not waste this gift. You've been handed a military culture built on merit, innovation, and high standards. That means tough training, fierce competition, and the freedom to lead boldly. You are being asked to be warriors first, to rise above politics, to carry forward a legacy of victory. It will not be easy, but nothing worth doing ever is. Secretary Pete Hegseth has cut away the red tape and restored America's warrior spirit. The military has been reset to fight and win. Warriors don't fight to participate. They fight to win. And now, once again, America's warriors have permission to do just that.